Hi guys, I thought we'd show off our wind-up critters. I've been collecting them for a little while and wanted to show them off a bit. So, yeah, you can turn that on too, Rocco. It's hard to do all of them at the same time because they only do it for a limited time, so we're kind of going to have to do them a bit separately. They're so much fun. Okay, Rocco, I'll do that one. I know, right? You can't see him. That's right. I have to say a couple of my favorites are the Seal and Stuart the Mouse. Anyways, I'm going to turn this baby on. I found her at the thrift store yesterday. Looking at a video of our wind-up toys. Oh no!
I saw your YouTube channel.
Did you?
Yeah. You did one of Lena's singing and she sang it.
Doesn't she sound so pretty?
Ow!
And this is a 1974 Mattel Baby This Away. I found her at the thrift store yesterday and gave her a little wash and dressed her up. Dressed him up. It looks more like a boy. Anyways, he works perfectly, so he's like the little wind-up toy too. He's gonna go all over top of the toys. What are you guys doing out there? Playing in the treehouse? Oh, okay. Look, he's trampling over all the toys. Here, just wait. Let's see what happens. It looks funny. It's a funny video. I found it at the thrift store yesterday. It's older than I am. And it still works. I know Lena was frightened of it last night. She was so scared. But Kathy kept putting it in her face and she was
Not
so
as
scared.
creepy as the
Which one? Oh, the real one. The real baby, they call them.
It doesn't talk. Mommy, no.
There we go. Thank you for watching, everybody.